What's going on, YouTube? We live. This is a trade that I was talking about, and I got in a little bit late, and I hate how I had to get in, but it is what it is. But I did get into this trade. I got in at the last minute because I ended up hurting myself. But we're going to talk about this trade. As you can see, I am actually in profit on this trade. I'm going to go live on my TikTok for a little second, too, to get people on over to this, and we can look at it. Let me go ahead and do that. Put my phone in work mode. Live. Off my camera. Flip the camera. All right, y'all. Anyway, so I'm going to cater to both. We're going to start to get more people over to the YouTube, of course. But I told you guys I want to take trades on the YouTube. And I'm also hoping this trade play out. I'm going to tell you, I did get in late again, so it's more of a riskier trade than it could have been. But I'm in this thing, and this is what we're doing. What's up, TikTok? What's up, TikTok? We live. Let's go. We in this trade, live trading. Look, we're in a profit right now. It's not a big profit, but it's a profit nonetheless. This is a small account. So considering how small this account is and the type of trading I'm doing, I just want to show you guys, it's not hard to start. So I only started off with $400 in this account. I got into this trade a little bit late, but I'll tell you guys about that in a bit. But we're in profits right now. Live trading in profits. If you're interested in that and you want to see it, you need to follow me on YouTube because that's where I'm doing majority of the streaming. I try to tell you guys, I make videos about it and everything. All right, I see new followers coming in. Thank you, thank you. For those that are on YouTube, welcome. Don't hesitate to send your comments and everything over. Let's go. Let's go. Anyway, okay, so we're in profit on a trade. It's a margin trade on Phemex. Double tap the screen, you guys. Come on, let's get those likes going so I can get more viewers in here. I don't know what's been going on, but the viewers been going lower and lower and lower, especially since I started promoting myself on another platform. Maybe there's an algorithm for that. Literally, ever since I started promoting myself on my YouTube, look, here's my YouTube stream. Ever since I started doing that, TikTok's been having my lives go like terrible. So help me out, share me, double tap the screen so we can get more people in here. But this is live trading, you guys. It's live. I'm gonna show you. I told you guys when I take my trades, I'm gonna do it on live so you guys can see what I'm doing. I did draw on this trend line just because I wanted you guys to kind of see what's going on now. I'm gonna full screen this in a bit so we can talk about it and talk about the potentials of this trade and where I wanted to get in versus where I had to get in. So right now, I'm in this trade. I've been in this trade for a little bit, but again, I missed my entry point. I would have got in when we actually bounced up and did like some sort of retest because I was following this, but I ended up getting hurt today, so that slowed me down dramatically. I might even go to the hospital after this live. You know what I mean? It's really that bad, but I wanted to go live and show you guys this before. But we're in profits. I told you we're going to grow this account together. Y'all going to see me grow this account. It's a very small account. Like the fact that I'm up $21 and I only it's only a $400 account and I didn't put all the money into the trade. So I'm only in profits. And you take a whole bunch of small gains and you turn that into like bigger gains. So instead of trying to hit big, put your money in and try to trade, see if you can make a quick 1,000 or something, focus on making little small gains. Like let's say I make this is 22. I can cut this trade and make that 22 and then do it again. And now I could do it with a little bit more money in the pot and earn even more on my trades. But I'm gonna tell you guys, I think we're gonna break out of this. I know this pattern right here actually looks to be like price want to bounce out and then kind of retest, and that might even happen. This green line represents my stop loss. But again, I was supposed to get in right here, but I ended up getting hurt. I got hurt, and actually, I literally got hit by a car today, and I'm out here still doing my live. So again, I don't even know how long I'm gonna be on live, depending on if this pain medication actually does what it's supposed to do. But again, I did not miss out on this live with you guys. I'm sorry I got in so late and everything. But I think we're going to come back down and retest. So I'm thinking I might just get out right here and take some profits right here. And if we break down lower than that, what I'll do is I'll chase it with my stop loss. So I'll bring my stop loss into a stop profit. And then from there, everything's all profit. And I'll hold the trade as long as I need to hold it. But if we do break through and trade inside this channel for a little bit and come down lower, I will add to my position. But I don't want to do that yet. I'm not interested in doing that until we actually show what's going to happen. So I'm going to full screen this. You guys can see I'm still in profits right here. If I hover over it, it actually tells you I'm like $26 in profits. It says 22, but I think this right here is last price. If I close it on last price, this is what it would be. This is my unrealized profit. So almost $30. And remember, this is a very small account. I told you guys, look. So $421, you know, so because it's $21 up. It's a very small account. Anybody can do this. That's why I made this account. You know what I mean? But let me zoom in. Now here's the bigger picture. Bitcoin is kind of bouncing around this channel since it went up. Price came down. So let me kind of show you guys what I do. A lot of people say, what's that indicator? It's not an indicator. I'll type it by hand. Look, boom. We got a touch there. We got a touch there. And now I have a closed touch here. So it's clear to see that price is being supported at this general area, right? That's clear to see. And then we have the rejection right here. So I'm going to go ahead and switch my arrows. Boom. Let me change the color, because why not keep it, you know, visually pleasing? Boom. So now we got the red arrows right there. And then we have a breakout. And then, so right here is kind of, you know, let me just kind of get this horizontal ray. We got the most touches right here. And now we can kind of see the little fake out right here, because price came right back down into this channel. And then, so what can happen is price can also come back up and retest this channel. My stop loss is sitting slightly above this channel. You see right here. This is where my stop loss is sitting. I'm going to mend it in a minute. Again, I would have gotten in right here. So I'm still in profit, but I could have been in more profit if I would actually got there in time. We got that. And let me put another arrow, because you can clearly see right here where price got rejected. Hold on. You can clearly see this right here. So this is where we're looking at. This is what we're looking at right now. Again, you guys, I'm not going to be live on my TikTok for long. Again, because I am streaming on my YouTube, and me having to hold the phone, especially since I hurt myself. I mean, it got me pretty good. There's still blood on my pants and stuff. The accident just happened like maybe an hour and something ago. I got hit by a car, but like I said, guys, I wanted to take my trade. I still want to make my money. I'm able to do so, and I'm still going to go get checked out. But I want you guys to, you know, check this out. Go navigate to my YouTube, because I'm not going to be on here long. I'm going to put my phone on the charger and focus on the YouTube, and you guys can see how the trade is going to play out. So if you want to see how much money I'm going to make on this trade, if you want to maybe counter trade it or whatever you want to do, go watch it on my YouTube, you guys. It's literally just Angry Advisor. Literally go to YouTube and put in Angry Advisor. That's what it looked like. Go subscribe there, and you guys can follow the trade and see how much money I actually make on this. But again, I am in profit. I just try to drop free knowledge. I keep sending people to the YouTube. I'm telling you guys, look, see, I'm in profits right now. I said I'm going to be live with you. I told you I'm going to be transparent. And I mean, it's up to y'all to actually make that move on over. That's all I'm asking. I'm not asking you to put any money in. I'm not asking you to do anything. Just follow me on the YouTube, because it allows me to do the platform without having to hold this phone in front of my face. I got a very nice interface set up for you. It looks very, very clear. And until I find a cleaner, smoother way to do a live on my TikTok, I'm going to have to revert, like send people over there. So thank you for all the new follows too, you guys. I see it. I see you guys are following me. Let's go. Live trading for the win. Let's go. Can I get some subscribers? I'm literally 10 subscribers away from hitting 800 finally. So that'd be nice. The last time I went live, I had gained about another 10 subscribers on my YouTube. So appreciate you guys that want to support that. I'm trading Bitcoin. I'm doing a leverage trade on Bitcoin. I'm in a small short position. Again, I got in a little bit late into the trade, but it's okay. We're going to make some money. Okay, I see another viewer just went over to my YouTube. I appreciate you. Go ahead and subscribe to me. Let's go. Come on, y'all. Let's make some money. Maybe trade with me. Maybe you don't like my analysis and you want to trade against me. Hedge against me. Come on, let's go. Trade with me, trade against me, or just watch. Maybe you'll learn something. Learn how to do the charts. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. I can't wait to see more profits coming out of this. I'm telling you, we're going to, I think I'm going to grow this account. So if all is well and I get to my targets, this account, I could double this account. I could already double this account, and literally, just today. And then instead of the $400 account, we're going to have an $800 account. I'll be able to place bigger trades, still using my same strategy, managing my risk better, and the next trade will be even bigger. So if y'all want to grow with me, you know what I'm saying? Come on. Double tap the screen, y'all. Let's go. Can I get 1K likes before I get off of here and just stay on my YouTube? And then the people that are on my YouTube, can I get you guys to send a little like? You know what I'm saying? Just let's get the algorithm excited. Okay, I see a new subscriber just came in. Let's go. Yeah. What's his name? Darian. Shout out to you. Appreciate it. New subscriber just came in. Let's go. Got another viewer on the YouTube. Y'all are amazing. I made a video telling you guys go to my YouTube because they're gonna probably try to, shake out the TikTok. And if they ban TikTok in the US, my whole platform is on there. There's a lot of people that watch my analysis videos. There's a lot of people that watch me do live trading. A lot of people questions that I answer and things like that. And I think it would be nice, to have you guys, still have access to me on my YouTube. So if y'all support that and you want to support me, again, Angry Advisor. I already see we got 4 people watching now. It's not a lot, but it's still better than 0. And look at that, subscribers coming in. So if you guys, want to help me out with that, I appreciate it. There's 60 of you guys in here. If just 10 of y'all went over, that'd be amazing. I know how easy it is for TikTok. I get it. I know. Pull out your phone, scroll, you see the video, you see the charts. But yeah, let's watch this trade, y'all. I'm going to put on some smooth music and watch this trade and see if I can't make some more money out of this. And, it's all transparent. If I lose, I lose. Again, I'm not looking to lose my trades, obviously. But if it does happen, then it happens. I could take out and be in profit. I'm in profit right now, so I could take out. You see my profits right here. It says $20 when I hover over it. Yo, let's go. Okay, what's this? Chaos? Okay. Thanks for the comment. I appreciate you. Appreciate it. All right, look, y'all. Yep, I do day trading. I do intraday trading. I do scalping. I trade more than just crypto, but I've been trading crypto lately. So, I've been trading crypto more lately. I've been trading crypto since 2015, but I kind of am away from everything else. I don't trade stocks anymore. I don't trade options anymore. Don't trade futures. And I sometimes every now and then go back to Forex, but I made the most money on my trades in Forex, but I absolutely love. No, I should be long in this pattern that I drew. You would expect me to want a long, but there's a reason why I didn't. But I did get into this trade before this pattern finished out. I did see, this happen. I got into a short position though. I'm expecting it to actually come back down and retest. But this pattern, I drew it in because I'm seeing it. And if it does break out of this pattern, I might move my stop loss down and would rather get out of a trade and wait for another retest up here. Or maybe even tighten it up because I'm not in a heavy trade. I didn't put in I didn't put a heavy money into the trade. But I did get in late. I was supposed to get in around here. And as you can see, I got in down here. Again, I told you guys I hurt myself. So I was outside dealing with that. And that took a couple hours out my trading. If you really go back, that my position was right here. I hurt myself on my way home. I got hit by a car. And that took about a couple hours to resolve before I was able to get in my trade. So I did rush in and get in my trade, which is not always the smartest move, but I do feel like there's way more downside to come. I think we're going to actually come down here and retest, and that could be a quick little $60 for me. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I got to go to the hospital, you guys. I do. I know I'm saying it like it's funny, but I'm for real. Like, look, this is my blood right here. Ran into my leg. I got hit, like not in a car, like pedestrian hit. Like the car to contact with me. The car came in contact with my body. But it's okay. I didn't die. Yeah, it was bad. It had me, like the paramedics had to come, make sure I was okay and all that. And I'm like, dang, my trade. That's so crazy. Nah, but I was like, if I'll take myself into the hospital myself. I'm off of a couple of painkillers. And I'm okay. I am going to go in tonight, but I'm just waiting a little bit. And, I'm in my trade and I'm doing my thing. I have a couple of painkillers, so I'm okay. I did call the insurance company, got that squared away with the insurance. So hopefully everything's good with that. But they are going to take care of my hospital bills. I'm going to give the insurance information. And they're going to cover whatever's wrong. I feel like my shoulder might be a little out of place. And the car did smack me pretty hard. Probably I think they were at least going like 25 plus miles per hour. She wasn't even looking. She just zoomed right into me. She smacked the hell out of me. Anyway, Anyway, still in profits there. You see that green. Love it. Hey, y'all. So do me a favor. At least for this, like, can I get some more subscribers to my YouTube, y'all? If y'all don't mind, go navigate to my YouTube. Again, I'm gonna probably be live on my phone for just a little bit more. And if you guys want to follow the trade, just pull it up. Some of you guys are by computers right now. I mean, look what time it is. So you can pull out your laptop on the side. You can still scroll your TikTok lives and do that stuff, and still pull up my YouTube and watch this trade. Like, come on, let me know something, y'all. Show me a little bit of love and support. I would love to hit the 800 subscriber mark. That's only seven. If seven more people subscribe, there's 80 of you guys here on my live on my TikTok. If seven more of you guys subscribe, I would finally hit the 800 mark on my YouTube. And I promise you, the YouTube's visuals are much, much, much better. You know what? I am going to take requests for charts too. I'm in a live trade right now. So right now I'm focused on this, but I am going to do some technical analysis and all that. So if you guys rock with me on that, let me see you. Just go leave a comment on my YouTube or something. Show a little bit of love, please. Give the YouTube algorithm something to get excited about, so it knows to recommend me to other people too. That's what I would appreciate. Man, y'all amazing too. I'm getting a lot of followers here. I already gained 12 new followers on my TikTok just doing this. So I appreciate you guys. Hey, follows going up. Follows going up. Let's go. Hey, okay. Okay. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Send them follows to the YouTube as well. Again, look, closed mouth don't get fed. I don't want you guys to think I'm begging for it now, but I am asking you guys. It's a better visual for y'all too. This is what that looks like. Literally, just go to Angry Advisor. Check it out. This is it right here. I just gained another subscriber. But look, Angry Advisor. That's my YouTube. Yes, I'm doing buys and sells. I'm in a sell right now. I'm in a short position. I'm in a short position. Even though this pattern usually breaks out to the upside, I think I'm pretty safe with, so this pattern does usually, oops, sorry guys, my hand is all messed up. It usually breaks to the upside. So something like this usually, but I do think it'll probably, get rejected here and then probably come down lower. But again, I got into this trade late. I wanted to get in right here, but I told you guys again, I don't want to sound like a broken record. But it's also being supported here as it's been, a couple of times. If it does break down out of this channel, I think I'll be even safer and I will bring my stop loss down some more. But right now, my stop loss is above the resistance line, even though it resisted the price once here, but ultimately had this run up. That can happen again, but we just got to wait it out, you guys. I know y'all want to see. Hey, I was looking into the sauce token. Do you have to swap with H bar to get the, yes, Max and Oscar. You have to swap it with H bar to get it. Yes. Oh, look, you guys, I got another subscriber, I think. Hold on, let me see. Oh yeah, so I got another subscriber. Appreciate you guys for subscribing to the YouTube. Thanks for leaving comments on the YouTube. I'll respond on that again. Okay, I got 5 people watching the YouTube now. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. Should I turn on some music now? Are we there with it yet? Are we there where I can turn on some music? Come on, y'all. Do you know what vids I can watch and learn? Look, I will show you what I do. You can learn my strategies from me just by watching my live. Only thing I ask from you is navigate over to my YouTube and watch it there, please. Show me some love there. I'm about 6 more subscribers away from hitting the 800 subscribers on my YouTube. It is crazy. I got almost 100K on my TikTok. And I've announced this. I put a video out, and I haven't even breached 1,000 subscribers. So that's like, man, how many? So what is that like? Is that like about almost 10%? I'm less than 10%. Or shall I say 1%? I said 10%. Oh, wait, let me see. No, I think that's 10%. No, 10% would be 10,000. So 1%. Anyway, my math was off a little bit, guys. You got to excuse me. I am off of 2 pain pills. I don't know. My brain leaves me right now. If I sub to you, will you promise to upload at least once a week? Oh, for sure. For sure. That's why I set all this up. Y'all look, I bought this camera because I'm making my videos now. I'm now making YouTube videos and not just doing TikTok shorts. Look, y'all, let me show you something. This is why I'm asking you guys to subscribe to me on YouTube. First off, the content is good. I designed all this myself. Didn't use any templates, just literally designed everything myself. I already do music, so I'm using a really good mic, and I put in some good plugins. I got a great vocal chain, so you'll be able to hear me very clear on my YouTube instead of just doing it through my phone. I designed my own pictures for the channel. I designed all this myself. And then look guys, I went big. This is why I'm saying subscribe to my YouTube. This is the clarity you're gonna get, the content you're gonna get. You're gonna get videos. You're gonna get trading videos. You're gonna get video. You're gonna get daily technical analysis and also and trades. You're gonna get updates about the crypto, and then the cryptos that I hold and that I know about. You're gonna get updated news about that, and you're gonna get very 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 good lives. So you're gonna get live trading, everything. If you follow me on YouTube, I spent a lot of money on this to just go all into it, as you guys can see here. I'm not messing around, and all I'm asking for you guys is to get the same content but better on my YouTube. And I know I sound like a broken record, but I do have a fear that they're going to get rid of TikTok. And it's not like I'm making money from this. It's just that I have an audience, the people that like to listen to what I have to say, that watch my videos, that ask me things. And if I lose connection with you guys, this is another opportunity that you have. Oh man, investments don't correlate with line patterns. How many times does that work? So first off, I trade it. I have a small bag that I trade, and then I have investments. When it comes down to investments, investments and trading are two different things. I don't even have the same accounts for that. So I have money set aside that's sitting in a ledger for my investments that I plan on never touching, and then I have also my trade bag. I choose to trade with my risk bag pretty much. If I was to lose and blow this whole account, I don't care because the money that I put into this account is money that I'm willing to lose. So first off, trading is far more dangerous than investing, but everything's a risk. It's all about risk management. It's all about risk management. Okay, let me see. Yep, TikTok gone into the 2023. I think so. That's why y'all go mess with me. Look. I got another subscriber. I heard it. Let me refresh. Let's go. Can you guys give me the 800? Two more, you guys. I need two more people to subscribe. I went in on this on purpose. Okay, somebody said, bro, can you show your full setup? Sure. Okay, so HP Spectre 4K monitor. Then you got the MacBook right here. This MacBook is running everything. Everything's plugged into the Mac. So I have Windows and Mac installed on this. This is the 2019 version of the 16-inch, but because you can still put Windows on it. And I got all the adapters plugged into it. Then I run them right here, the universal audio. This damn thing's expensive. Right here into the C214 mic, studio quality mic, as you can see here. Then I have my side computer so I can check my streams and show stuff. But this computer is actually this. So this computer is something called a 1X player. This thing is a whole entire computer running a Ryzen 7 6800U. This thing is powerful. I don't game really, but it's a gaming computer, a handheld gaming computer. And I just thought it was amazing to have a computer that is damn near pocket size that's this powerful. This thing is powerful as hell. I mean, you can video edit, everything on it. I got this portable touchscreen monitor. So this is a monitor that's powered by this. This is getting the power from this. And it's also touchscreen. So I use this to watch my live, see how many people are doing here, read my comments from here if I wanted to. And that's my setup, you guys. It's nothing major. Everything else is done software-wise. Everything else is done in the software. Yeah, I know. I was watching that stuff. Just added Hila J. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Let me see. Yeah, 3 U.S. senators just straight out to push. Yeah, I know, guys. If TikTok comes down, that's going to suck. But I'm not going to give up on what I'm doing. And I would love if you guys support me the way I'm going to always support y'all. Monsters of the Mat said, got you, bro. I appreciate you. Appreciate you. I hope you guys are enjoying the quality, too, on the YouTube. So if you guys are over there and you're liking the way everything is sounding, let me know. If there's anything I need to change and upgrade, I got you. I'm still new to the YouTube streaming, but I'm not new to audio and all that. So, again, I don't know what it really sounds like on the other end, but it should sound clear. And when I play music, it's going to go. Let's go. Yeah, you already know. Supply and demand. Hey, thanks for the roses. I appreciate that. Let me see. Thank you. I appreciate it. What's up to you? Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, I'm literally putting my money where my mouth is on this one, you guys. I didn't go all in on this if I didn't believe in what I'm capable of, if I didn't believe in, the people that watch me and see what I do. So and we're going to grow this account. I'm invested. I'm invested, and I see that, I keep a decent audience. I mean, in the bull run, it's going to change dramatically. I know there's going to be thousands of people watching the videos and all that, but, I still want to be able to drop information for people that are here for it. Let's go. Let's go. Look at this. I'm still in profits, even though this is inching its way back up. I'm watching this, you guys. I'm watching that. I want to see if it's going to break from here. So let me see. Where's my... I'm watching that. That's what I'm watching out for. Can I buy gold now? I haven't looked up gold. I haven't looked up any commodities or nothing. I've really been focused on crypto, you guys. That's really what I'm into. What's some long-term investments you gonna do in future when I chill down and retire? You mean like so? Once I'm done trading and once my investments are proven to be more lucrative, of course, like just like everybody else, of course I'm going to be looking into real estate. Even though that's probably going to be dramatically different by the time I really get into it. But real estate, I already have a couple of businesses that I run. I'm just going to increase how they work. So, back in California, I have a rental business. I rent out some decent little cars, and I'm going to increase the size of that. So it's doing well. That business is doing really well for me. So I'm going to have that pull money in. I'm going to build and upgrade me a studio out here in Texas where I moved. So I'll build a home music studio out here. I have a couple of studios out in California already. So I'm really just going to expand my businesses. And then I'm also going to look into certain franchises too, just because. So, but I mean, the main focus is my own businesses. I have multiple businesses that I started, that really took hold in the last bull run because I was investing previous bear market too. What crypto am I trading? This is Bitcoin. I'm trading Bitcoin. Again, I know it looks bad and it's my fault for rushing into a trade, but I have to see it through. I have to see it through. Yes, I do use RSI to spot a divergence. I was looking at that too. What time frame? I was just looking at it on a higher time frame. Right here. No, I don't. I think it was on the daily. Or wait, no, it wasn't on daily. It was on a 4 hour, I think, because 1 hour was doing. No, it was the 1 hour. Okay, so there was. You call this kind of a wide divergence. You can say that, but because this right here, the RSI did not go on to make a higher high. It made a lower high than it did over here. Yet we made a higher high in here, so you can kind of see a bearish divergence on a 1 hour. But look, see, even the 1 hour gives me a little more confirmation. This candle closes in the next 4 minutes. So to see it get rejected off this 50, if it does get rejected off this 50, even though it got supported here where it normally does, we might start to see, within the next couple of candles, this 14 is going to come down. And whenever this orange line, this 14 EMA crosses downward, that's, showing that we're back in that downswing, that downtrend. So, I mean, just a quick look at it, but this is the 50 EMA, this blue line. I really want to see this orange line go underneath it. And then that will confirm it for me. I'll bring my stop loss down. And if we break down below this area that's supporting the price, I'm going to increase my trade size so I can make even more money. When we come down to touch here, I'm going to take some profits, but I'm not going to close my whole trade. I'm going to bring down the stop loss to here where it will still become a stop profit. And if it goes back up, it just stops me out with a little more profit. However, if it continues down, I'm going to add into my position every time we break a previous level of support and start to see it as some sort of resistance. And I'm going to keep following it down until it reverses. So this trade can potentially be way more than just a $50, $60 trade that I thought I was going to make out of it. Just letting you guys know. You guys seen that on my YouTube too? Yeah, you guys seen that. So, yo, what's going on? Check out 15-minute chart. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Hey, Vex, I need you to go hit me up on YouTube too. I want you to be a moderator on there too. All right, let's check out the 15-minute. Here's the 15-minute. Again, now look, I drew this in because I know price has been, like this little downward trend right here. Price has been being rejected right here. So if it breaks back above this, then we also have the 50 right here on the 15 that can potentially stop it. And then we have the main resistance right here, which also it lines up with a 15-minute pivot point. Look how beautiful that pivot is sitting in there. I love this freaking indicator. Look at this indicator. So even if you, didn't draw in your support and resistance, look how this pivot point lined up here and then this pivot point lined up down here. It just did that, I drew in what I drew in, but I mean, this is where the pivot lines up. I love this indicator, y'all. I freaking love this. You see these? It's amazing. It's amazing. Look, it looks like it wants to try to break through. I mean, this kind of pattern, it does usually break to the upside, but I mean, how far will it go? How far will it really go? So that's where we're at with it. When you talk too much of what you have is because you really don't have it. Whoever really has. What do you mean by that? What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. Do you know BRICS are planning to drop U.S. dollar and Turkey and no, I have not been paying attention to that. He wants you to join his trading web and then he steal all your money. What in the heck are y'all talking about? Man, people are weird on here. But hey, you know what? It is what it is. People probably been through some things, probably got scammed, probably been hurt. I'm not that guy. I'm happy to deal with even the subscribers and the people that's been following me and seeing my live. But to all the new people, that's great. I don't know what they are. You know, it's always like that. I remember when we were in the bull run and I was getting like I don't know 8, 9, sometimes like 2, 3,000 viewers at a time, and I was getting so much hate, so much. I mean, racist stuff. People were like, "Who takes financial advice from a black guy?" I was like, man, people are crazy on this app. The internet makes people feel just invincible. It makes people feel crazy. Don't worry, bro. It's for you, right? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Yeah, people can say whatever they want to say. I don't really care. I'm not worried about it. Anyway, y'all. Again, for the people that just got in here in my live, I have a better stream going on my YouTube, and I would advise you guys to go follow me and subscribe to me on there, please. Again, I don't know what's going on with TikTok if it's even going to be around, but if you want to follow this trade, even when I leave out, I'm going to leave this screen open so people can watch how the trade plays out. So even if I have to go, if I got to go somewhere, I will still leave the stream open on my YouTube. So you're going to be able to watch the trade as it plays out. You're going to see my stop loss. You're going to see my take profits, and you're going to see everything in real time. So I do appreciate that. Thanks for all the new followers, but don't forget to follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You guys got me above 800 subscribers. I'm at 802, so I appreciate you guys. Let me refresh that. So to everybody that went out and subscribed to me on there, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now my next goal is hitting the 9. Yeah, I know they're gonna close. They're planning on closing TikTok in the U.S. So, yeah, that would suck if that happened. But hey, I'm still here. You know, I'm not gonna give up on TikTok. I'm still gonna do both. But yeah, let me see what my YouTube is looking like. Look, don't that look beautiful? Let me see something real quick. Oh, I got a like on there and everything. Nice. So let's go 1080p quality. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. All right, you guys, listen, if you want to find out what's going to happen with this trade and you want to follow it, youtube.com, Angry Advisor. youtube.com, Angry Advisor. I'm going to get off my live on TikTok. I'm going to let my phone charge, and this is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do. I appreciate you guys. If you're not following me already, go ahead and give me a follow because I do still go live on here, even if you just want to watch me on here. But if you want to see it on here, it's right there. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Thanks for all the new follows. I appreciate your comments, and feel free to go drop some comments on my YouTube. Let's go. I'm out of here. Get off my live and go invest in something. Let's go. 40 new followers on there. Y'all, I appreciate my TikTok. I do. I appreciate it. And I appreciate y'all too here on my YouTube that's still watching me. Oh yeah, let me show you guys about look. I'm gonna show you guys how I got this going. Hey, okay, thank you. Okay, Hornet 07, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Make sure you put that bell notification on so you know when I'm going live, you get notified because at some point I'm gonna just be going live off of here. So let me show y'all how cool. I mean, I know other streamers probably got it all figured out and doing their thing and all that, but I had downloaded this app on my phone that lets me change my scenes because I have other scenes. So like when I want to sit here and talk to you guys, I might hit the webcam button that I made. I made these scenes, and now look, webcam. I'm talking to y'all. I'm being real. We're talking, and you might say, okay, I want to see the trade. Boom. I go back to the trade. Live chats there, live stats. If I wanted to hide, the chat, and you guys didn't want that in your view, I can turn that off if I want to. Turn it back on. I mean, I love this. I love this. And then I have my what I call big cam mode where, boom, I hit this. And now I still got your comments. We still got my total subscribers. And I also show you my other platforms. And now you see the little screen down there. And you still see me. So I can talk more. And so if we're having an actual conversation, but still watching the charts, we can do both. So, I mean, I'm feeling happy about this, you guys. I really was putting attention and time into this. You guys don't know. I stayed up all night kind of trying to figure this out by myself. And I don't think it's the hardest thing in the world, but I'm very proud of myself for it. And you guys get to reap the benefits of getting a very, very clean stream and get the stream how you want it to be. You know what I'm saying? Your boys like, let's oh Lord, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm glad you guys like it. I'm feeling very, very hyper. And again, don't forget I'm off these pain pills. So if I'm saying crazy stuff, but I'm being real with you guys. I'm pretty amped up. I took the pain pills and then I drank a little bit of coffee. Yes, I have a Discord. I'm going to put all the information on the YouTube as well, too. I'm going to have it in my bio, my description, I should say. Hey, there's 6 of you guys that are watching. Well, probably 5 because I have one of my devices to monitor. There's 5 of y'all watching, so do you mind if you guys just press that like button so I can have 5 likes? It might help because in my past streams, since I'm new to this, I've only had like maybe 1 or 2 likes. So maybe to see an increase in likes happening, then YouTube will probably start to recommend me to new viewers. Now there's 7 of you guys watching. Let's go. Let's go, you guys. We're still in this trade. I'm still profitable, not by much. You see, it's only about $3, but still profitable. Still profitable. Oh, I have to take pain pills because I got hit by a car 2 hours ago. Yes, I know. I should be in the hospital. I'm probably going to go. I think my shoulder's a little out of place. I feel it, actually. But I got hit by a car. Dom Kenny, let's go. I like this. I like YouTube a lot better. I love this. I mean, no, nothing against TikTok, but I love this YouTube streaming stuff. I love this, y'all. I love this. Look, I got hit by a car. Yeah. Yeah, I'm all right. It hurt. It hurt bad, but like my ankle's messed up, my elbow's messed up, both my wrists is scratched up. I got not hit in the car. My body got hit. I was riding a unicycle, and the lady came around the corner very fast. Wasn't even looking. I'm yelling. I'm screaming. I saw her for the split second. It was so crazy. I'm like, I'm screaming at the top of my lungs. She's looking the other way. And then the guys that are seeing her approach, they're screaming at her. They're like, hey, and I'm like, hey. It was just too fast. Boom, hit me hard. That's what made me get into this trade late. I still wanted to get into the trade, but I got in a little bit later. My profits I'll be a lot higher though, but because where I wanted to get in, I was headed here to get into my trade. And I mean, and here's the crazy part. I'm in the driveway of my apartment. You get what I'm saying? So like, no one should be going like 20 something miles per hour. We're like, I'm hitting the corner on the driveway. And she comes hitting the corner, fast. I did get a hold of her insurance. I called them up, and they're going to have somebody call me tomorrow. But they need to pay for my unicycle. That's a $4,000 machine. So it's not like it's just some cheap thing. That costs a lot of money. I'm pissed off about that. I'm hurting in places that I didn't even feel until right now. Like my shoulder feels like it's out of place. I didn't feel like that until now. My arm. I mean, you see the blood dried up, and I wanted it to clot, so I'm glad it did that. I cleaned it off already. Both my wrists are just thumping bad. If I turn my neck too much this way, my neck hurts bad, and kind of my upper back. I landed in some crazy position when she hit me. The unicycle already sits and gets me off about almost a foot off the ground. So I'm already a foot off the ground, balancing on a one wheel, and here she comes, slam right into me. Her car hit my leg, like full impact, so my leg is hurting bad. Feeling better with the pain pill, but yeah, she hit me full impact. And there's blood on my shirt. I'm literally just, I crawled off the ground, got in here, got into my trade, and then I went live after the pain pill kicked in. Like, there's blood on my shirt, there's blood on my pants. Like, she hit me hard. She smacked the hell out of me. People ran over like, whoa, they didn't even know. Do you plan to live in America my whole life? Oh, shoot. Oh, you retracted the comment. I mean, it's right there. But since you retracted the comment, I'll not read it. I'll wait till you repost it or something. Anyway, you guys. Oh, shoot. What's wrong with my internet? Hey, I don't know what happened. I think my signal kind of went down a little. I saw that. Let me see. Do you plan to leave America? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I got a family out here, so I'd have to take my family with me. But I'm going to stick with crypto. I believe in crypto, and I believe in what I'm investing in and everything. So if America can't seem to get with it or try to do something, block me from spending my money or make it hard for me to live out here, yes, we would leave. And I got a decent amount of investments, and especially when things turn around, it's going to be like shockingly better. But yeah, I mean, with the kind of money I even have right now, I can live comfortably in a different country if I wanted to, but I just don't know exactly where yet. I haven't figured all that out. Oh, we got new viewers in here, you guys. There's 10 people watching right now. Thank you so much. Got another new subscriber. I appreciate you. Dang, man. Glad you're here, man. Sounds tragic. It was pretty bad. I'm glad I'm here too, though. I appreciate that. It was pretty bad. Like, I mean, I don't want to sound dramatic, but I promise you, when I saw her coming at the speed she was coming, my life did flash before my eyes. Like, I did say, oh my God, she's about to mess me up. Like, I said that to myself, I wondered in my head, like, man, it was in a split second, you guys. Then I got hit. I felt the impact of the car on my leg instantly numb my leg. It was instant numb. It was like boom, and I didn't feel like I even had a leg anymore. Like, when she hit me, I didn't even feel like I had a leg anymore for a second. I was like, oh shoot, is my leg off? Like, that's really what. But I'm laying on the ground, and I didn't get a chance to look at it. It was crazy. It was crazy. I mean, it's a story that is crazy. It is crazy. I'd moved to Colombia. Well, I mean, my girlfriend is from Colombia, so she has family out there. If I did move there, I'd have some sort of support. You know what I mean? But I mean, yes. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I did hear it's not safe, and I saw some things. I know it's crazy. I know it's crazy, especially for people like me. I mean, not to sound like that, but yeah. But I don't know. I mean, but that may be an option just because I'll have support. But yeah, she's Colombian and black. Yeah, her family's out there. I mean, she goes visit. I have never been there yet, but I will go. Hey, you say your girl is too. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Let me see. Yeah, but I mean, I'm gonna go visit there. I'm gonna go visit and meet some of her family from out there too and everything. So, I mean, I'll be able to scope it out, see what it's all about. Listen, guys, I don't want to be this guy, but I'm about to eat a little bit too while I'm on my live. Just a little bit. I'm not going to be smacking in your ears. I will mute my mic if I have to, but I also, that thing messed up my dinner and everything. Like that car accident was pretty bad, but my stomach is talking to me. And especially if I go turn myself into the hospital, I don't want to be there on an empty stomach because I know there's a chance I'm going to be sitting there for hours, and I'm going to be cranky as hell if I got to sit there and not have any food in my stomach. I'm going to be cranky as hell. So I already made my food. I'm just about to bring it over here. I'm just letting y'all know, just courtesy, you know what I mean? And also, while we're looking at this, we can full screen this too, just so we can see what's going on. I think my charts are absolutely beautiful, by the way. What do you guys think about that? Isn't this gorgeous? And it just makes sense. Look how clean it is. But I see, look, what is this? We're in a 15-minute. Nothing really happened yet. Thanks for all the new subscribers, by the way. You guys, my goal was to get myself over 800 subscribers today, and I did that, so that's a benefit. And now my next goal is to get myself over 900. Once I hit that 1,000 mark, that'd be great. I'm going to be making daily videos too, so it's not just the live. You're going to be getting daily videos, daily technical analysis, and then we're going to have moments where we just do TA about whatever projects that y'all want me to do. So, ASMR for sure. I'll be right back. Hold on, y'all. Oh, my arm is killing me. Oh. Promise I'm not trying to. What is this? This is my live mukbang and charts. Mukbang and chill with me on the charts, you guys. Live mukbang. You know what I'm saying? What should I change to the big so y'all can kind of see me eating too? Live mukbang and charts. You seen it here first on Angry Advisor. Just signed up with Phemex last night after your live. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. I love Phemex. Now I don't hold like a chunk of money on here. You know, I don't ever really have huge trading accounts because I don't really leave my money on any platform like that. But Please get in at your own risk. I mean, don't let me be the reason why you do something. I mean, I'm happy to, to help and show you how I do things, but I also want you to do your own research. Be careful because I'm not a legal financial advisor. I want to disclose that just so we know that there's no crossed or blurred lines here. But hey, if you're into trading and that's what you want to do, I love the platform. I've been using Phemex for a while. I used to use what did I used to use? What was it called? Prime XBT. Shoot, I used to use BitMEX back then before they banned it and everything, and before all the BS happened with it. It was pretty good, you guys. Little mukbang, little salmon, beans, corn, little casserole type situation. Mm-hmm. It's funny looking at my live stream, like through here, just seeing myself dig into the food. And see, in some countries in the Middle East, people leave key in car. The community amazing. Oh, free healthcare and really low tax for real. Dang, that's pretty crazy. There's a lot. There's a lot of I guess research I have to do on different countries and stuff like that. Especially, with my mindset, I would not mind moving to a different country. I would not mind at all. You understand Spanish? Poquito. Estoy practicando español. I will know a lot more. I'm learning with an app called Duolingo, and I used to know a lot more because I do have also some family that speaks Spanish. So yeah, yeah. Don't go to Colombia. I know it's not that. I'm gonna have to rely on my girlfriend. I have to rely. I mean, to be honest, I understand Spanish more than I speak it. For some reason, it's kind of crazy, but I don't know why. Even reading it, I don't know what that is, but um, I'm pretty sure. Um, I'm pretty sure I can figure it out. I don't. I think I'm smart enough to learn another language. Hmm. Basically, in Sona, they have the capital punishment, but that only do with 100% proof. And since they're rich, they got fast cars for the cops. If you steal, no hands. Well, I'm not really worried about um, me doing anything shady or stealing or anything. I'm not definitely not the criminal type. Y'all, should I put the music on too? I usually have some nice music going on too while we're trading. Or is it better without the music? Because I forgot to ask you guys that. I do notice I get more interaction when the music is not playing for some reason. But I normally have like some smooth um, music in the background. Hmm. I'm gonna check out some countries, y'all. I do want to figure out where would I move. This is crazy. This did turn into a ASMR mukbang live stream, but you guys don't realize how hungry I was. Queen Jazz said move to Maryland. I don't know. Or if we just moved to a whole other country. Let me see. Me being new to the channel, you're more trading crypto? Correct. Yes, I almost always trade crypto. I mean, Forex every now and again, but like literally 99% of the time trading crypto. What's the profit? Let's see. $7 on the hover over. $7. Not much. Still not bad. Not a bad trade. Remember, it's not a huge trade, and profit's profit. What if I took 10 trades? What if I took 10 $7 trades? That's $70. There you go. I want to see some red candles. Me too. Show me the red. Let's go. Just go ahead and engulf this candle real quick. Come down. Show that you didn't really want to break out of this. Let's go. Show me the red. If y'all want the red, say red. Everybody type red in the chat. Let's call that red candle. Let me see. America is going be gone soon if China sadly wins trade war. Whew. That sounds absolutely crazy. I hope not. Do you think making $12 per trade is good? Can you do it 30 times in a day? I have done it. I mean, I've done it like that before. When you have small accounts, you got to be okay with the small gains. Don't try to make swing trades if you don't have a big bag to deal with a swing trade. I try to tell people that all the time. If you're looking to make thousands of dollars of profit and you put in a small amount of money, you're going to over leverage yourself, and that over leverage is going to lead to you losing your money way faster than you're going to make any money. I've seen people that are like, I don't know, $60 in profits, and then they're like, nah, I want it to be hundreds. And I'm like, look, you didn't put that much in the trade. Like, you're up pretty high. Like, you're up pretty high. You're up like 20% or something, 30%. You know, something crazy. And I'm like, you're up. Take the trade. Like, close the trade. And they wait it, and then the thing reverses. Then it falls all the way down. They either don't put a stop loss because they get greedy and say they know it's going to go back, or they put a stop loss and get wiped out. Like, I was up $20. I could have taken that trade. There's a reason why I didn't take that trade. Well, I didn't close my trade. Not a greed situation, but because I know I got in late. I damn near got in at right here at what was supporting the price previous. So look, let me draw on another line for y'all. Let me just show you this real quick. Horizontal ray. Let's take this horizontal ray and we can clearly see right about here. Right about here. You see the support that we have here? There's also support. Right here, support. Even when it was way up here and it dropped all the way down, where did it touch? Right here. Even touched down here. Also got supported right here. And I happened to get in, you know what I mean, right around here. Bounced back up a little, and then now it came back down below it. So it's below this blue support, which is great, which I didn't have drawn in until now, so you can clearly see that. But I would have loved to get in up here. This is before the car accident. No, let me switch the camera so you guys can see it better. So, I mean, this might act as some sort of resistance, and if it does, and we get like the longer engulfing candle, I might even add a small more amount to it again. You know what I mean? I don't know, but I'm really looking for us to be under here. So come on, let's see these red candles, you guys. Let's go. Let's talk about these red candles. Let me see, Darth Vader candlesticks. Let's go. Let me see. That's more than you would make in a day, and eventually you can do it. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Yeah, I mean, you'll see. If you guys stick around these live trades, you'll see 3 or 4 trades I make in a day. Sometimes I make $100 in a trade, then I make another 40, then I make a 70, you know what I mean? And that adds up too. Like, you'll see once I start to grow this account and we make over, once we have over $1,000, $1,500 in this account, you're going to start seeing $70 to $100 close trades easy. Like, that move would have made me $70 to $80 instead of just the 20. Then you're going to see a move that makes me $150 to $200. And they're small trades. I get out, even though it can go down a lot more. It's not about being greedy. It's not about the greed. This was good, you guys. This was so good. I need me some water. Give me a second, you guys. Oh, wait, I could do this. Hold on, hold on. Watch this. No cam. Boom, look at that. See, now it's like I disappeared. You don't have to see me get up and walk away. You can get full view of the charts. And then I'm going to come back and with my water. Now I'm back. Got this. There we go. Y'all, can you imagine when we're sitting here and there's like a couple hundred people in here. The comments are going crazy and they're asking all these questions. We're getting answers and people are like putting up some stuff. And then I'm gonna get to the point to where I start doing Zoom calls with people so we can all share and compare and contrast notes to other traders and things like that. If we all put our minds together, we all could win. And I tell people that all the time. Like, I'm trying to build a community, not to say, hey, look at me, I won and you didn't. Like, people don't know how much money I have. They don't know how successful I am, but they do know that I'm doing okay. I'm good enough to where I can make moves like this, go live with you guys, still invest, and be transparent with you guys. I'm able to do this. So there's got to be, that got to stand for something. But again, I'm not one of the ones, hey, I did this, you didn't, here's my master class. Now, do I believe that making a course, that there's a problem with that? No. Like, I have made a charting course before, and it helped out a lot of people. It was like a beginner-focused charting course. It was like in the brink of the bull run, and a lot of people actually went for it. It wasn't about me making money, but it did fund and allow me to be able to continue to do things like this and spend more time on my YouTube. On my TikTok, sorry, before I did the YouTube thing. So, and I helped people. And I put a lot of time in it. Like, I sat there doing all the designing, making the videos myself. I didn't outsource anything and do any of the BS that you see some of these other people do. And it was just literally a straightforward charting course. And a lot of people still, like, to this day, in my DMs thanking me. So, again, but yeah, I can't wait till we have that. I think it's gonna take a while, and I'm okay. Even if I had to start over, if I was never able to log onto TikTok again, I'm not going to give up. I don't care if I just had 5 viewers, 4 viewers. It's going to happen. I'm going to be straightforward, true. As I'm making my videos, I'm going to grow an audience. And shoot, if you guys help me with that too, if we all have each other back, then it's going to be crazy. But I put the number of subscribers up there because it's also good to focus on the growth and see, what's happening. We all can see the growth together. Like, I don't have to make up numbers or anything. It's pulling it straight from my YouTube. That's how many subscribers I have now. We're going to grow this. I'm going to say my plan is to learn and do trades, make $10 to $12 each, and do it 30 or more times a day. Yep. Average wage, and you could, man, that would be amazing. Amazing if you could do that. And I think it's possible. Listen, here's the mindset I'll tell you. You got to be interested in it. You got to be hungry for it. And the reason I'm going to say that is because you are going to take losses sometimes. You're going to take losses. It's going to hurt and it's going to deter you, but don't let it deter you. That's the thing. Don't let it deter you. My Discord, I'm gonna put a link. I would have to send you a link. Tell you what, go to my Instagram and type in Go to Instagram, type in Angry Advisor ER, and DM me, and I'll send you the link because I do have it. I just don't have it present right now. I have a Discord. I don't have it present. But, yeah, do that. Excuse me. Oh, my gosh, my arm. I think it's out of socket. Hey, I've been streaming for 59 minutes already. Y'all see this candle, right? Y'all see this, right? We're talking and all, but I know you guys see this candle. It's starting to engulf this one. This is only on a 15 minutes, so I mean, I guess it's not the greatest, but I like to see it engulf. Whenever you get that little engulfing candle, like you see, you got the green here, and then you got the red that's way longer than the green right here, and then it closed, and then what happened? We went a lot further down. You had an engulfing here, but you got stopped out on the support right here. And then kind of traveled. What happened right here? We got an engulfing. So look, you have this green candle. So for those that don't know, you got this green candle. Look at the body of this green candle. And then look at the body of this one next to it. This red one. It engulfed it. What happened? Price came down. Next candle came down more. Price tried to come back up. Did not make a higher high here. Hit right here and then came tumbling down. So you got that. And now you got these greens. Struggled to get up there. And now this candle, if it closes down here, you got another engulfing candle. And that engulfing candle might push the price right back down to retest this resistance, and that'd be nice. That would be nice. Get back in here. I'm back into $20 profits. Anything below that is even more. I'm gonna amend my stop loss to be just above here, which would be a stop profit. At this point, no, that'll still be a stop loss actually. And when it gets down here, it'll be a stop profit once it get right here. You know, it's small gains, y'all. It's a small account. Wait till like a couple of weeks when maybe there's a few thousand here, and you guys would know. I'm gonna leave these lives up. Y'all gonna be able to see and recall like, nah, he really only put $400 in there. You know what I mean? And the only time I ever plan on putting money back in this account is if I mess up and decide to lose. But I'm not really the kind of person that's into blowing my account. If I do something like that, then that was not something I would want to display, and that goes against everything that I'm talking to y'all about. And also, I want to thank you guys. I did get that 5 likes that I wanted to get on this video. So appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. And when I make my video content, be sure to, share that out too. Go watch it, share it. And I'm going to promote my channel. I'm just going to do it. I'm stuck babysitting, but I do have the bell notifications for my... Oh, okay. Be safe out there. I appreciate it. Appreciate you, turning on that notification. Thanks for your support. And yes, I would definitely I'm always trying to stay safe. That is definitely my goal. Look at that candle close. Look, you guys see that? Candle close. I love it. Hey, what's your favorite view on here? Do you like this view? I think this is more personal. I feel like I'm talking directly to y'all when I have this view. And then I go to the other view when I want to show you something on the full screen. But if you guys like this view too, let me know. Look at this. Okay, so we got the engulfing candle closed. Now let's see. Is this going to try to run back up and go past this red candle? Or is it going to stay down below and then, for the next 15 minutes? We could even jump into the 5 minutes now just to kind of see what happened. Okay, so in the 5 minute, price actually hit right here into this orange line, which is the 14 EMA. So look at this. It wants to try to engulf this. But again, look, the higher the time frame, the more that matters. The higher the time frame, the more that matters. I really think there might be some sort of retest that take place over here. Let's see what 30 minutes look like. So 30 minutes look like a break out from it. So the 30 minutes looks like a little bit scary. The 15 minutes looks a little more hopeful, kind of. And then what the 1 hour looks like. Oof, the 1 hour looks like it got supported. You got that green close, but you also got this pinch above here. If it does go back, maybe it wicks above here and come back down. We don't know. So the higher time frames doesn't seem to be that good and that much in my side right now, but it is what it is. I want to see that break. If price runs up and it comes back down and it closes, like almost forming that like hammer type candle or something, 100% I'm going to add a little bit more money. Just a little bit more. Let me see. Done. I gonna head out. Now you head to the doctor. Also, do you think I can start with 40 pounds? You can literally start with whatever you want to start with. This is margin trading, so be careful. The higher leverage you use, the more you can lose. But with smaller accounts, like if you're starting with 40 pounds, it's not like don't plan to make like $12 per trade. You'll probably be looking at making maybe a buck or two, which would be a decent trade, depending on the size of trade you're taking. and to manage your risks better. You know what I mean? So just take it slow, take it easy, because then when you get up to like 60 pounds, now you're trading a little bit more money and making a little bit more. But anyway, thanks for being here. Thanks for being part of the live. And when I do decide to head out, I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you on the loop. When I'm back on live, you guys are going to know everything. So, as long as y'all are asking and watching, yeah. I kind of like this live without the music. I hope you guys feel the same way. It's just kind of, I don't know, the music was cool, but I'm telling you, I didn't get this much interaction. It was like people were here, but they weren't asking questions or really typing as much. The music, I guess, I don't know. But I do like the music when it's like, I like the environment it does create. I feel like I listen to lo-fi stations, so you get to have chill music. Let's say you're studying and just want to hear bomb music and look at some good charts. I want to be that channel. Also, when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna stream my crypto song on here. I'm gonna play my crypto song, either that or when I have more than 25 people in a live at a time, whichever comes first. I should probably use this time to go to the doctor. Let me see what time it is. How have I been on? Okay, I've been on live for more than an hour. All right, so I think I'm gonna do this, you guys. I might get myself ready and use this time to go to the hospital. I'm still gonna be managing my trade. I'm just trying to decide: do I leave my computer running live right now? I haven't set it all the way up for that just yet, but I might do that. Um, I don't know. Meanwhile, I'm gonna leave it on no cam scene, and what we're going to do is I'm gonna type up some notes here, and I'm gonna turn my mic off and maybe leave some smooth music in the background, and maybe I'll leave this streaming while I'm doing that. So yeah, I think I might do that. Appreciate you guys for being here. I'm turning the mic off.